मंगलम.
Namaskar. Today, on the occasion of Sarda Panchashatamanotsava of Sri Samsthan Gokand Partagali Jyotammat, we have our Sri Anil Kamatji with his wife Devika arrived here. So, sir, how you are feeling after
No,
visiting?
it is really our honor and privilege to be here. It's a moment of pride, actually. The 550 years completion, as well as the newly renovated mutt. Most importantly, we managed to get a good darshan of our Swamiji, and we are very happy to be over here and proud to be part of this community. Devika, would you like to say something?
Definitely. I think I'm very honored to be here and very humbled by Swamiji's approach to everyone, as well as I think it just feels very nice. The energy is very positive, and we're wishing that it only gets better. Thank you.
Thank you, Anil
Thank you
Kamatman and
very much.
Devika.